saw around 150 people gather at the scene. At least 2 cars were set alight as trouble flared into the early hours of the morning. They've condemned the violence towards emergency services and property as unacceptable. 12 officers were injured as tensions escalated, and a number of arrests have been made. Police have confirmed an investigation is now underway.
However, here are some good news about the riots. Riots have now ended in Blackpool, Reading and Aberystwyth. Whilst this is good news, the riots are still happening everywhere in England. They are still happening in urban areas in Wales as well. And they are...
On Channel 5. Wherever you want to get to, Lloyds TSB is here to help you on your journey. Over the last year, we've helped more than 45,000 customers get a new mortgage. And we helped over 80,000 new businesses get off the ground, as well as helping over 7 million people save for what really matters to them. To find out how we can help you, come in and talk to your bank manager. Lloyds TSB, for the journey.
Sky One HD goes on a globe-trotting experience with the librarian who battles with supernatural forces. From the producer of Independence Day, don't miss the 3rd librarian instalment, The Curse of the Judas Chalice.